today I'm going to be showing you the part 3 on the beginners through white. So in the third part of the tutorial, we will be learning to complete the white face. So after the second part, you have completed this with those aligned. And now you're going to complete the white face and all of the first layer. Cool, right? So let's get into it. In this step, we will insert pieces into the white face to make it complete. Also, turn the corners and put them in the correct place. So those are the white corners, and side centers. So now, use the algorithm use this algorithm, D, L, D prime, and then L prime. To solve the white face. So what I mean by that is I found a corner, and then this is the white, blue, and orange corner. So white, blue, and orange is right here. So when you minimize it, you find it's supposed to go to this corner. So now, put it under it, and then do the algorithm, Z, L, Z, prime, L prime. So now it's inserted. Yes. And then for the second one, this one is supposed to go here, so move it down, and then D, L, D prime, L prime. If you didn't have it, do it again. D, L, D prime, L prime, D, L, D prime, L prime, and you'll have it in. So for this one, you want to move it over here. So on the bottom, D, L, D prime, L prime, 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 D, L, D prime, L prime. So have that in, and then this one is obvious going to be here. D, L, D prime, L prime, 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 D, L, D prime, L prime. So now you have this solved, and if you insert it correctly, you will have the first whole layer solved. Cool, right? That is the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Comment, subscribe, and like the video for more upcoming videos. Bye!